Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a video on my favorite little guy in the world. And guess where he is? Have you guessed? That's right. He's hiding in the blanket. Aww. You're so cute. Like, literally I just had my, blanket. I was putting a blanket on me. And then he just came in and just, aw, like, remember that time that he crawled into my shirt? This time he crawled into my blanket. He's so cute. I love him. Aren't you just the greatest little bundle of joy in the world? Aren't you? I love you. You're just the greatest little thing that happened to us. Aren't you? I love you. I love you. Do you love me back? And he left. I'm just gonna go sit over there. Don't you want to come back into the little area? You know you want to. Come on, kitty. Aw, yes, go back in. Yes. Yeah. Go back in. Go, little kitty. Go, little kitty. Come on, you're almost there. Come on, my arm is kind of getting tired. Just go back in. Of course. You want to sit in front of me? Alright, little kitty. Well, love you, little kitty. Bye. Oh, never mind. He's coming back. Kitty, you came back for me? Oh, I love you, little kitty. Don't go in there. It's dusty. Kitty. It's dusty in there. You don't want to go in. Well, guess we'll end this on you. Goodbye, kitty. I love you. Goodbye.